All right, it's Rdww time. Follow along with me as I read today's problem. Milo had 14 balloons. 10 popped. How many balloons does he have now? Let's take a minute to stop and think about what's happening. He had some balloons. Some of them popped. Oh no. We need to figure out how many he has now. Well, let's remember Rdww. We just read the story and we understand it. Now we need to draw the math way. Remember to be drawing in your 5 groups. This really helps you understand the numbers, and it'll even help you find 10 easily. You will be writing a number sentence today, and then you will be writing a sentence to answer this question. How many balloons does he have now? When you're making your video, you need to talk to us about your math drawing and explain the strategy you used. We need to make sure you really understand your math and that you can explain it to us so we know you got it.